Did you guys see the lady on the helicopter that was being saved?
No.
Because I'm going to send it to Cody right now.
Yeah,
It's
I
so
meant to
good.
use
Cody,
that
do you know
to
what I'm
me.
talking about?
Yeah, I got it.
Yay. he has it.
Okay.
Speaking of Superman flying, this lady was apparently hurt herself hiking, which
Okay.
just sucks.
No, that does suck.
But a helicopter came in and saved her.
Yeah.
And then hijinks ensued.
What happened with the hijinks? All right, let's see.
We're gonna watch.
All right, are we allowed to watch this? I guess so.
Yeah, we're fine.
All right, let's bring it to a full screen, and here we go.
Oh, that's shitty quality, Cody.
Well, it's not his fault. Oh, it's better. It's better. It got better. So is that her? Oh no! Is they just whipping her around?
Yeah.
Oh my God. What? Oh my God! How old is she?
73.
Oh my God!
Oh, stop it!
75. Yeah.
Oh my God! So what did they? They're just whipping her around. Oh, that poor woman.
She's turned into Wonder Woman at this.
She's gonna throw up all over the place. Is she
Wonder
okay?
Woman.
I think she's okay now. But could you imagine? I'd be
No
like, just
additional-
leave me in the
just-
just
yeah,
leave me in the
she's
mountains.
okay.
Just let the wolves eat me.
She's okay. No additional injuries. Not for lack of trying.
Just let the wolves eat me.
Yeah, it's like, what are you doing?
Just drop me, please.
I want to get off. I want to get off.
Wow.
Please.
Who was flying that?
I don't know.
Someone
but
did a great gif or meme of it where they showed the guy is still going, and then her just spinning around and around her, an old lady's face just spinning around.
Cody,
Oh my
can you
God.
go to my Twitter? Because I retweeted this guy doing a reaction, pretending to be the pilot, and then somebody added the Interstellar music to it. It's really good.
Yeah, that's funny. That's poor. Well, I guess not funny to that
Oh,
woman.
not Cody. Alex.
that
Who's
wasn't-
doing this? Is Alex here?
No, it's
This is
Cody. Yeah,
Are you
Alex is
using
in.
Alex's account?
Hey, Alex.
Hey, Alex.
Where is it?
It's no.
Where'd you go?
No, go back.
All the way up.
Darina tweets a lot.
I do apparently. There it is.
Okay, so this is a reaction to
Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Yeah. That's what I was mentioning. It's brilliant.
It's funny.
Oh,
And
no. Oh, no.
And it was titled "What the Helicopter Guy Sees versus What She Sees."
I just love that they add Hans Zimmer to
funny.
it. It's so good.
That's really good.